Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 3, Number Patterns, Chapter number 1, Lecture number 6, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our topic is number pattern. Student, in the last video we discuss about our first method, that is number disk method. We have two methods. Our first method is number disk method by using number disk. We discussed in our last lecture, we discussed our first method. Now we discuss our second method, that is number line method by using number line. Here student, number line is shown. We have two methods for number pattern, but we discuss only our second method right now. Students, our question is number patterns. Find the missing numbers. Our question is find the missing numbers. Here student, our question is 19,140 less than 20,140. Now student, tell me which number we less in 20,140 to get 19,140. Which number we less? Less mean we subtract tens, thousand, hundreds in 20,140. First of all, we draw a number line. Our number line start with 20,140 and we write 20,140 at the left side and we write 19,140 at the right side. Tell me student, what we subtract in 20,140? Yes, we subtract 1000 in 20,140. We subtract 1000 in 20,140, we get 19,140. Student, when we compare these two numbers, we less 1000 in 2,140. Now student, let's start to solve our second question, that is find the missing number. Our question is less than 57,206 is 57,169. Student, what number we less in 57,260 to get 57,169? First of all, we write 57,206 at the left side of the number line and we write 57,169 at the right side of the number line. Student, now find the difference between these two numbers, 57,206, 57,196. Student, the thousand places in both the numbers are same and the ones place are also same. The difference in this number at hundred and tens place. The tens place difference is smaller, so we subtract, so we less 10 in it. When we compare hundreds and tens, the tens place is smaller, so we subtract, so we less 10 in it. What we subtract? We subtract or less 10 in 57,260, we get 57,196. Now student, let's start to solve our third question, find the missing number. We find the missing number. Our question is 68,050 is 68,050 is, we find here the more than number in 67,950? What number we add in 67,950 to get 68,050? First of all, we draw the number line of 67,950 and 68,950. We write 67,950 at the left side and we write 68,050 at the right side. Student, now compare this number. The difference in this number at 1000 place and the difference is in the 100 place. The 100 place is smaller, so what we do now? 100 place is smaller than 1000 place, so what we do now? We add 100 in 100 place. When we add 100 in 100 place, then we add 100 in 67,950. When we add 100 in it, we get 68,050. Now students, it's time to solve our another question. Our another question is, in a number pattern, complete the number pattern. Our another question is, complete the number pattern. Here student, our question is shown 25,395, 25,405, 25,415. After 25,415 we find number and our last number is 25,435 and after that we find our number. We find two numbers in this number pattern. Student, now first of all we write this number in a number line. We write our first number 25,395. After that we write 25,405, 25,415 and after one blank we write 25,435 and in the last we also find a number. In the number line we find two numbers. Students, the difference between in each mark of a number line is of 10. The difference between in each mark of a number line is of 10. When we add 10 in 25,415, we get 25,425. When we add 10 in it, we get 25,425. And student, when we add 10 in 25,435, when we add 10 in it, we get, after adding 10 in, we get 25,445. Our last number is 25,445. Student, we complete our number pattern. The difference between in each number is of 10. The difference between in each number is of 10. Now students, it's time to solve our second question for completing the number patterns. 53,641, 53,541. We find the two numbers in between 53,541 and 53,241. First of all, we put the numbers in a number line. Student, first of all, we put the numbers in a number line. Now student, let's find the difference between in each number. Student, do you see any difference in the number? Yes, the difference between in each number is of 100. We starting from the right, when we add 100 in 53,241, we get 53,341. When we add 100 in 53,241, we get 53,341. Now student, we add 100 in 53,341. We get 53,441. Now student, let's start to solve our third question in a number pattern. Our third question is complete the number pattern. Student, now complete the number pattern. Our question is 52,500. After that 50,500, 48,500, 47,500. We put this number in a number line. Student, now first of all we find the difference between in each mark of a number line. Now student, let's find the difference in each mark of a number line. Student, the difference in 47,500 and 48,500 is of 1,000. The difference between 47,500 and 48,500 is of, the total difference is of 1,000. Student, when we add 1,000 and 48,500, we get 49,500. Now student, let's fill our second blank after 50,500. Students, when we add 1,000 in 50,500, when we add 1,000 in 50,500, we get 51,500. We get 51,500. Thanks for watching.